You can now easily determine the size of icons displayed in the tool palette of the Create Object dialogs by selecting an option in Customer Defaults. Here, the size is currently set to large. The new icon size options can be found in Customer Defaults under Manufacturing User Interface on the Dialog Boxes tab. The options in the icon size section of the dialog box are new. Small icons are 24 by 24 pixels, medium icons are 32 by 32 pixels, and large icons are 48 by 48 pixels. Once you have selected a new size, you will need to restart NX. After restarting NX, notice the specified small icon size is now displayed.